Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to turn off personalized ads on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you want to turn off personalized ads, this is what you can do. Come out to your settings, come to the system settings over here, then browse down to where you have advanced settings. In advanced settings, just browse a little bit down until you see the option that says personalized ads. So you click on it and this is it. So you can turn it off by just turning it off here. Once you turn this off, turning off personalized ads will limit the ability to deliver relevant ads to you, but will not reduce the number of ads you receive. So this only helps to turn off personalized ads. That means ads that are directed to your interest or according to your interest, but this does not stop Hisense Smart TV from showing you ads. There is a difference. So you can only turn off the personalized ads or not. So if you want to turn it on back, just click on it, I agree, and you're good to go. So that's it if you find the video helpful.